Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials, folks. I am Lauren. In the vast world of business, everyone's searching for answers. But who really needs a research report in the awareness stage? In the awareness stage of the inbound methodology, knowledge isn't just power, it's direction. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, product developer, or investor, let's delve into who stands to benefit the most. Marketers, are you identifying new segments or understanding shifting consumer behaviors? A research report provides the deep insights you need. Entrepreneurs, if you're stepping into a new market or refining your value proposition, research reports can be your foundation. Product developers, before pouring resources into production, understand the demand, competition, and potential pitfalls with a comprehensive report. And investors, before placing your bets on startups or exploring new sectors, arm yourself with a report that charts the terrain. But it's not just traditional businesses. Educators, non-profit leaders, journalists, all can tap into the power of research in the awareness stage. Having the right information at the right time can be the difference between taking a leap of faith and taking a calculated step forward. So, if you're identifying a challenge, opportunity, or simply seeking clarity in the awareness stage, remember, the path to enlightenment often begins with the pages of a research report. Navigate with knowledge. Start with research.